Yo! YouTube boy not dealing. The dep on the black, dep on the shot. Some boy don't know the hap now, the shot. So man say, yeah. Everybody good. So man say, big up the whole of United States, Texas, Houston. Don't know anything set. Big up my power over Dallas there so. So man dealing. Big up the whole of New York. Atlanta, Georgia, you don't know. You see me I say, yeah man, big up England, Canada, Europe. You see me I deal with Jamaica, you see me I say, you know. Yeah, so me dip on the black, dip on the chat, some boy don't know the hap now, the shot. You see me I say, yeah, so, this evening, you know, I come with a little news. You see me I say, and kind of sad, you know what I mean? Because here what happen now. It's like, come look nearer, yeah, man. Come look nearer, you know. It's like say star. It dep on YouTube, it dep on Facebook. Cause as well me say, anything bust, all I blogger them suck you off. You see me I say. But there's a video circulate on Facebook a couple days ago. With four little boy. Four little boy have gun. One gun them have. What them say it's a Ruger, something like that. Well them have a handgun. Four of them. And some little boy, where you get gun from? Little boys. You little boys, where you get gun? And the parents gun on a thief. And a braff with. And take it for joke. Four of them look like them about 15. Or something like that. In their age group there. Saying. And right now they wanted by the police. You understand? Where you get gun from? Tell me now, where you get gun? Are China them going with it? When you sell gun for China them or Indian them down there? Or a politician them and work with or who and work with down there, bad man. Or no parents are bad man and go take away gun them. You see me I say? And come and show off on social media. Me never see this yet a blood clean. Me never see this yet. My youth, you know no sense. I know no wanted, brethren. You no wanted. Can you face the all over social media? When you not braff, you not braff with gun, dog. Because I see it now in a body hole in a problem, you know. You see me I say? You're in a problem, you see me? Yeah. John was yeah, so can't believe it. Can't believe it, you know. Yesterday I do a video, you know. I do a video yesterday about styleology. You see me I say? And alright. Do a video about styleology yesterday. And I said things when I talk about. They say father they're on them boy pick me watch what them a do. Keenly. Cause I know so them boy they not no father blood clot. Most mother alone they have. Or them father bad man and them thief them father gun. Sitting like that. You know, but if you watch your youth, yo, me tell you, most kids, every kids fear their father. You see them take their mother for like a joke thing. The boy picking them take their mother like a joke. They mostly want to protect their mother because a woman that. You see me I say? But them father now, them fear their father. So that's why the father have to dare on you them. You see me I say? When they go on the road, you know, They want to break them father rule now, but when they see them father, you know, everything change, you know. That's why father for their own youth them. Cause them little youth there, them no fear have no gun bridging. And if you can see those little youth, they pose up with gun and I go on the most way. Why society will come to little more? You get what I say? Cause a darkness man them a talk about. Lick out head and alright. And everything. You see what I say? So I have an idea YouTube, and I have to just know that. You see what I say? And I have to know that, you see me? Yeah, darkness youth them say. And that not good. You see what I deal with? Yeah. So, Jano, I don't know what to say. When I'm there at Jamaica, I look at youth them in my neighborhood, I always talk to them and give them guidance because each one teach one, and the next thing is this. The community grow the kids down. You see what I say? So big man them in the community, even if them father and they around them fi look out for youth them and give them like a guidance. You see what I say? Because regardless, kids go do crazy thing. And another thing I want to say again, police say they want them. No, me I say certain things for years, you see me I say. And big up SoFlow TV, yeah man. Because me and SoFlow they say certain things for years too. You see me I say. Because I don't want nobody to say, yo, me they follow SoFlow whatsoever. But I do a video probably about 3 years ago now. And if I look back for that video there, I'm going to do a reaction for that video there, you know. And I'm going to see what I talk. You see, I say, Andrew say need to set up a place for all certain type of kids and youth and train them, discipline them, thing like that. You see, I say, so right now there are 4 youth, they wanted by the police, you know. Saying, if the police catch them, they know so they will lock them up. Or might be, they might feel if you shoot them or them thing, because crazy thing like that go on in Jamaica all the while. But my opinion, I don't say if you lock them up. I say government fi have a place now where you get you like those, you know, you carry them go there for a couple months or a year or whatsoever and train them, discipline them. Try to take out them gun mentality out of them brain. You see me I say? Take them gun mentality, criminal mentality out of their head. Teach them what is gun. Teach them the purpose of gun. Gun is not for go around and do robbery and do unnecessary killing and stuff like that. Gun is to protect your life when you're in danger, when you can't. The force can't come to you no more. When the force can't get to reach you and your life in a danger, I saw a gun come handy. When you have a licensed firearm. So a little youth like them they know. Them not in a no age or no stage or no bracket for have a firearm. You see me? So when you see them do that, and the gun them a float around in our country. You see me I say gun them a float around in our country. You see me I deal with, and everybody in a gang all kind of thing. Them thing they fi change. So government now if you look into this now, Andrew Wellness look into this, build a facility. You see me I say, and nobody make it like a real prison. You see me I say, but make it in a way where kids like those, they take them and counsel them. Get some professional people to teach them. Have it like a school, them a get them subjects said way and thing, and a change the mentality of them. And when you see them change, you let them back out in a society. And if you do that and set up them building all over the island, that's the only way you can change Jamaica. But if you feel say you go sell out the country and don't want to spend the money in the country, now go happen. And then when everybody turn criminal, you go come knock at your door too. Cause these younger youth, them crazy. You see me? Them think different. First time gunman them used to hide. Them a man put you up on social media. Everything change. You see me I say? So you have to work with the change technology. Work with the change and make a change. You see me I say? And build a facility for host these kids who need some guidance. Some of them now no father. You see me I say? Yeah, stuff like that. You see me I say? So me have to talk. That's why I have to come on the block on the chat today. You see me I say? Yeah, so that me I say YouTube. Don't know a thing set up, you know. Yeah man, I don't know a thing set up. They on the block, they on the chat, some boy don't know the happen or the shot. Yeah. So what me I say now, all on the big man out there, you know look out for the little youth them brethren. When you see them do something wrong, you know, guide them and help them. And see police them to police officer, when you see them and nobody shoot them in a bridging. You see me I say? Because you go see them because them face up on social media. You see me I say? So, best thing you do with them look at you, they take them, find somewhere where you can counsel them. You see me? I don't know if you can do it at the station or where or what, but I want to advise you to put them youth there in a prison still. You see me I say? Because you can see I am a father and you can see say those kids is just them just try out a thing. Them not even know what them a do. Them just try out a thing. You get what I'm saying? So I'm asking you to guys, officers, you not kill them when you don't see them. Get them and see if you can carry them somewhere for a while. Or if you have to go work with them parents or I don't know how to do it. But them need some counseling and some guidance. So I say, yeah. And then we change. Because when you put it down to them, you know, when you show them a prison or show them where them life are going to go, the things say that will change them. So I say, so try work with them. So I say, and Joelness, you need to build some facility, brethren. You need to build some facility. You get me? I say, enough land there, Jamaica. You see me? And them have some building. You can order them online and still in America, you said way. They make out of steel and a zinc outside, but them look good. It's like a warehouse building. You can buy some of them, they're not expensive. You see me I say? You can buy all some of them, the bridging. Cast the foundation, the flooring, screw down the building pan it, a fast that done. You see me I say? And then you set up restroom and whatsoever inside. And you have those places. Set them up all over the island. And you have those places where you use to house kids like those. And got some people who come there now and I counsel them and discipline them, give them their subject, everything. You see me I say, and change the whole generation. Because we have to change the younger generation them. You see, when we change the younger generation them, we get a better tomorrow. And it now go take 1 month, 2 months or 1 year or whatsoever. It go take. You look for about 20 years, hard work, and you can bring back Jamaica, brethren. But you have to start from now, you have to start somewhere. If you don't start from now, it's not going to happen. You see me I say? Because youth them move fast, you know, say I have to move with them. You see me I deal with? I have to move with them. So, that me I say. That are my 2 cents on that. You see me I say? So, when you like and share, comment and subscribe and make me know what you think. You see me I say? Let me know what you think. You see me I deal with. Tell me how my sound in the comment section. I don't know. Yeah. So that's that me have to say right now. One love Jamaica, I'm out.